How to fix iPhone won't charge unless turn it off after iOS update. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Make sure the optimized battery charging toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and enable optimized battery charging. Next, make sure your charging port is clean. Dust, pocket lint, or grime can disrupt charging, but not always enough to stop it when powered off. So, you can use a wooden toothpick or soft brush, or gently clean out the port and make sure not to use metal objects or liquid cleaners. Also, in settings again, tap on General and then on Soft to update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. You can also try a different cable or charger. If charging only works when off, your cable may not be fully compatible or powerful enough. So you can use an Apple certified cable and power adapter. Also, make sure to avoid third party accessories that are not MFI certified. So, this is how you can fix iPhone One Charge unless you turn it on off. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.